Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be actually sharing with you the next projects that I had promised you that I was gonna do. If you didn't check out my first part, I did create this spooky eyes along with these pumpkins from this book that I got from Dollar Tree. If you want to go ahead and check that out, I'll link the video at the end of this video. Now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the Martha Stewart Halloween crafts inside. So I wanted to go ahead and create this little treat bags for the kiddos, my nieces and nephews. So I wanted to go ahead and do it with all Dollar Tree items, and I managed to actually collect everything mostly from Dollar Tree with the exception of the construction paper, which I had that on hand. So besides the items that I need for the baggies, I will be actually doing another project, so make sure you stick around at the end of the first DIY for the second DIY that I have on hand. So the first thing that you will be needing is some paper bags. I got this from Dollar Tree. I also found this stencil that is from Dollar Tree as well. And if you don't have the stencil, I do have those stamps. I actually got them from Dollar Tree like a while back ago. You need construction yellow paper and the satin ribbon that I also purchased from Dollar Tree. Now here I'm just showing you that the bags, they do have like some kind of fold to it in the corners. So all I did was flip the bag and just folded it like maybe 1/4 or 1/3 of the bag, and then I went ahead and create another folding, and that gave me the shape as you see in the book. So here I'm just folding the yellow construction paper into like 2, 4, 6, 8 pieces, and then I just grabbed any circled accessory and traced the circle and then cut it. And a reason why I folded was gonna be way much easier for me than cutting one single individual circle at a time. So just fold it in half like 8 times and then just do the circle and then just cut it like that. So all I did was going ahead and cut a piece of ribbon. Whoa. Cut a piece of ribbon. Now you want to go ahead and melt the corners, because if you don't, they're gonna come out like this. Where is the other one? Oh, it's gonna come out looking like a hot mess, like this one. You see the little hair sticking out? That's how it's gonna come out. Okay, so once you have that, I wanted to go ahead and glue the circle, the moon, to the baggie, and I also wanted to use the stencil that I got from Dollar Tree to go ahead and write the word treat with the question mark at the end, just as the book shows you. First, I thought these letters were gonna be so big, but I actually end up loving how they looked. So I went ahead and just create all 10 baggies with this stencil. So I hope you can find the stencil. If not, like I said, you can always use some stamps or whatever you have at your house, you guys. So now I'm just gluing the moon to the baggie, and I didn't have my hot glue gun ready, so I had to go ahead and plug it in and make it, you know, hot, so I can go ahead and glue the little bats into the moon. So that's why I went ahead straight and create the word treat on the baggie, and this is what I'm showing you right now. So this is how it turned out. I really love how it came out. The word treat on the baggie. On the book, on the Martha Stewart book, it shows that it's way smaller, but I really love how this the word treat with the stencil that I got from Dollar Tree, it made it so big, so it looks really nice to me. Now all I did was end up gluing the bats to the baggie, and that's pretty much it. So I actually did some baggies that says treat and the other ones that said trick which are super cute here, all combined as you see here. So I really did love how this project turned out. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the next project that I went ahead and created myself. This wasn't like from a book or anything like that. It just popped in my head, so hopefully you guys like it. So for this next project, you'll be needing the truck and 2 packages of the wood letters from Dollar Tree, the artist canvas. This is the way bigger one. I think is 11 by 18, or I'm not sure what size is it. And then I had the pumpkins, and then the bats and the ghosts that they came in different packages from Dollar Tree. Everything, you guys, is from Dollar Tree here in this video, with the exception of the stain that I actually got from Home Depot. But I had a big bottle, so I mean, if you want to go ahead and stain them like I did, then just go ahead and use the shoe stainer from Dollar Tree. It gives a pretty nice color, like if it was stained. So you guys, I'm not going to be talking for the rest of the video because it is really simple, and I didn't even know why I even put it in here, but I wanted to go ahead and show you because it looks really nice. I really loved how it turned out. I really do hope that you guys enjoy this project along with the first video that I created. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and play the song and just keep on showing you what I did on this project. But I really do hope that you enjoyed this video along with the other one. Like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And as always, I hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye.